think I'm going to take a quick measurement here, get the diameter on this, and then an approximate height too. That way I know what size riser to get. It's about 26 inches across and 26 in diameter. And we're probably going to want to be 18 inches from the top of the tank. So I just kind of wanted to give you a cost breakdown. So they charged me 63 bucks a foot for these, and both of these are 18 inches. And then the lids, I got these heavy duty lids here. Here's a look at the lids. They gave me some screws with it as well, but they're super thick. They're nice heavy duty plastic. You can stomp on them, stand on them. You don't have to worry about anybody falling through. But these things were pretty spendy, so these were 113 bucks a piece for these here. So overall, the bill on the risers, lids, it was about 400 bucks. Okay, got both the risers set in place. Now it's time to mix up the cement. So before I put the cement on though, I want to make sure these things are level. So I'm going to check level in all directions, make sure they're good to go, and then I'll start the cement. All right, level. Okay, I just took my gloves, my hands with the gloves on it, and just went around and kind of packed it all in there best I could. I'll do the same thing with this side. I recheck level on this one because I bumped it. All right, here it is the next day. Cement's all hard. Now it's time to fill these in. Right, last thing to do here for these septic lids is put the screws in.